Lourdes Chica Bel Mariano, natagpuan na raw ang mapapangasawa nito at tanggap ng kanyang ina. Siya na raw ang pinipili niya. Saad niya sa isang interview ng Showbiz Insider. Alam nyo, choose a man who shows up when it matters, make you feel wanted and leads with care, and someone who invests in your peace and never stops proving that you're his priority. Consistency isn't just about love, it's about respect, stability, and effort every single day. That's what you deserve. Don't settle for less when you're worth so much more. Nung nakilala ko si Donnie, napasabi talaga ako na siya na nga talaga, Lord.